Hey everyone, today we're diving into a hot-button issue that's been stirring the political pot in Washington. We're talking about the Senate's latest move to tackle the surge in nationwide injunctions against the Trump administration. On April 2, 2025, the Senate Judiciary Committee held a hearing titled Rule by District Judges 2. The goal? To explore legislative solutions to what they see as a bipartisan problem, universal injunctions. Now, if you're not familiar, these are court orders that block the federal government from enforcing laws or policies across the entire country. And lately, they've been flying around like confetti at a New Year's party. Committee Chairman Chuck Grassley, a Republican from Iowa, is at the forefront of this issue. Grassley is seriously concerned about what he calls an unsustainable collision course between the judiciary and the executive branch. He's introduced a bill aimed at limiting the scope of these nationwide injunctions. The bill would prevent such orders from being granted to non-parties in a lawsuit, hoping to restore the balance of power. And just how significant is this issue? Grassley points out that more than two-thirds of all universal injunctions issued over the past 25 years targeted the first Trump administration. To put that in perspective, President Biden faced 14 in his four-year term, while Trump had at least 15 in just the past 2 months alone. The hearing wasn't just lawmakers talking, it featured expert testimony from Samuel Bray from Notre Dame, Jesse Panuccio from Boies Schiller Flexner, and Stephen Vladek from Georgetown University Law Center. These heavyweights brought their legal expertise to the table, dissecting the impact of these injunctions on the executive branch and the judiciary. And let's not forget President Trump himself. He's been very vocal about his frustration with these nationwide injunctions. Trump calls them unlawful and issued by radical left judges. He's even urged Chief Justice Roberts in the Supreme Court to address the issue, warning that these injunctions could lead to the destruction of our country. But what's the future of Grassley's bill? That's the million-dollar question. While similar bills have been introduced in both the House and the Senate, it's uncertain if they'll actually get floor votes. Senate Majority Leader John Thune hasn't committed to bringing the issue to a vote. He suggests that the existing appeals process might be enough to resolve the matter. So, what does this mean for the political landscape? If Grassley's bill passes, it could significantly limit the power of district judges, reshaping the balance between the judiciary and the executive branch. On the other hand, if it fails, we might continue to see these nationwide injunctions playing a pivotal role in American politics. Alright folks, that's a wrap on today's deep dive into the Senate's latest move to address nationwide injunctions. It's a complex issue with far-reaching implications, and it's definitely worth keeping an eye on. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates on this and other political hot topics. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.